Welcome back. We're doing wheel ball joints. Ball joints. Alright, stick around. Okay, welcome back to After Beaten Track Canada. We've got Blues Clues in. That's Curtis and Rachel's Jeep. Predominantly Rachel's Jeep. His ball joints have gone. And we're going to replace the ball joints. He's got some new ones from TeraFlex. Got a set of 4. Let's get it done. So we need to take off the brakes, the caliper, the rotor, take off the wheel bearing, and basically we're stripping it down so we can change them ball joints. Oh! Holy crap! Oh! That was nuts. Do that.
So now in the actual TeraFlex video that I watched, they actually take these off. I don't want to do that.
No?
No. Because the more those come on and off, that's just the quicker I'm going to have to replace stuff.
Do you have to take them off?
You shouldn't.
Okay.
I'm probably going to have to disassemble this part though, to do it that way, and then just sling that out of the way. Because otherwise this whole thing gotta...
Yeah.
Oh, I should be able... The axle should come out without taking that out. Yeah. Shitty.
And Curtis has got to be careful not to beat the hell out of his bearing because he's got to reuse this one. He's coming. What's your bearing?
Oh.
Sound better than mine. Removing the cot pin so you can undo the nut.
For the castle nut, yep. I'm going to try to at least.
So we're using a 22 again, you see?
Yep. So apparently the trick is, take the top nut off, take that ABS bracket out, start the nut barely back on.
To tap it, or to pull?
No, to smash the daylights out of this thing to get it to drop.
And what size did you say the bottom one was? 29?
Sounds right, yep.
There she goes.
There we go. And if you can get the jack out. If we work on them, just set, no, set it. Yep. Pooched.
Is that what's wrong with it? It's the bottom one more than anything, is it?
Yep, always.
Oh, that's gone. So using a ball joint press, we've just pressed out the ball joints, the old ones, and I'm going to clean that area up and then press the new ones in. But yeah, the bottom one was really shot.
TeraFlex says that this is the last kit ball joints I'll ever have to change.
You said they're adjustable.
Yep.
How are they adjustable?
There's a nut here on the bottom that this thing goes onto. You take these little set screws, there's 3 of them here, and you can literally tighten your preload, loosen your preload, all that kind of neat jazz. Boy, am I glad I did not buy the knurled ones. Like so. Like so. Like so.
She's going in. So once the ball joints, upper ball joints in, you've got to put the rubber bolt back in. Because you're supposed to take the boot off before you press it in, and then put it back on once it's fitted. Back on?
Back on.
Using a 7mm socket, we're putting the grease nipples or grease zerks, I think you call them here. What do you call them?
Grease nipples.
Grease nipples, okay.
Grease zerks.
Time to reassemble. Yeah. That way? It's that way.
I won't say nothing if you don't.
So we're talking these to 70 foot-pounds?
70 foot-pounds.
Oh, it's twisted.
Locked. Now he's got to figure out the top one.
And this is the cotter pin. Yeah.
Yep. I just can't see where the... Oh, the bracket's gonna turn, isn't it?
You got it? It's only gone and got it.
Pardon?
It's only gone and got it.
Does it look like that boot's bellowing? Kinda, hey?
Can you feel it?
It's squishy.
It looks bulging, doesn't it?
Yep.
Oh, that's coming well.
Not quite in yet.
Yes, he is. That's in proper.
And hopefully without f***ing up an axle seal. That goes up and through here. Like Joseph. And
Open it.
like Joseph. And
What's coming off again in a few months?
I'm back in here in a few months. Take these off now. Right. There we go. Now 12 point?
So a 12 point, 30mm socket. So again we're going to do a bit of the three, just trying to do it evenly. So it pulls in even. Alright?
Got it.
Well, we have to take this off next time, it's going to come off really easy.
I certainly hope so.
We're talking these to what? 75 foot-pounds.
See? So they say. Alright. Now that
And 100 foot-pounds torque on the nut. So just trying to do that for your shoulder.
Nope, it's this one.
Oh.
And should be really close.
Okay, now we need to put the brakes back together again. So we'll put some blue Loctite on the caliper bolts. And what was the torque setting on them?
100.
100 foot-pounds.
There. There. I got a big chip in that rotor.
I'm just using some brake cleaner on the rotor just to clean the grease off. My fingerprints have been. Yeah. Pretty much assembled now, aren't we? Just wheel back on.
Yep. Everything's torqued. Everything's greased.
And I'm sure people have seen how to put a wheel back on. Hope so. They should do this in the first place. Eat, sleep, repeat. Without the eat and sleep. So I'll just strip it down and pop these off again now.
Anytime.
Okay, it's finished off the left ball joint. I drove around, tested it, and all was good. If you've liked the video, please remember like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And come back. We'll see you in the next video. And until then, sit there.